Simple tricks on how to succeed in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a lot more than just joining an affiliate program. It is truly a business move that requires planning and patience. It has so many techniques and products that require research, hard work, and patience. Do you have what it takes? Regardless of your answer, here are some tips to help you. Providing a forum for your website's users can be a lot of work, but it can also provide a lot of benefits. A space where your customers can talk to each other and to you directly will give you valuable feedback on what they do and don't like about your website. You can use this information to improve the services and products you offer. You will need to know your target audience when putting affiliate marketing material on your site. Know why they are coming to your website and what it is that they are looking for there. If you don't capture their interest quickly, they will leave the site without participating in anything. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for affiliate companies that offer lifetime commissions. This will save you from losing commissions due to the time limit the affiliate company sets between the time that a visitor is referred from you to their company and when that particular visitor makes a purchase. One great way to always stay ahead of the game in affiliate marketing is to be among the first people to advertise a newly released product. To stay ahead of the game and to promote products before the market becomes saturated, check out various large companies, like ClickBank, and find out about new products. Now you see that affiliate marketing is a lot more than just joining any affiliate program that you find. It takes planning and hard work. You don't want to join a poor program, so why not take some time to learn how to do it right? The above tips should have given you some advice on how to do that. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.